Hello! From this video you'll learn how to set up Portal for customers and how to use it to make relations with your customers more streamlined and automated. Currently, Customer Portal allows customers to view their personal data, quotes, projects, jobs, invoices, payments, and credit notes, create new quotes and upload files, and then send notifications to managers so they can prepare estimations and send them back to customer, accept or decline quotes, create new projects and jobs based on quotes or from scratch. Managers get notifications about green light from a customer. Exchange messages between customer and company while working on quotes, projects, and jobs. View invoices and download PDF files with invoices. Verify invoices and payments against own accounting information. View different reports showing statistical information about cooperation during specified period of time. This list can be extended with time, and at the moment you watch this video, actual functionality may be a little different. So let's start with setting up a customer portal. We start from roles. I open role list. Here you will find default role called customer. It cannot be deleted or renamed, but it can be modified according to your needs, so you may remove some rights or add new ones. I won't focus on setting up roles as there will be a separate video about this, but here you can just see that this role has a number of configured permissions. When role is ready, you can create a new user, go to user list and click new. We have to set up username, email, which should be specified only when you wish to send notifications to this user by email. In the role list, click Add a role and select Customer role to assign this role to this user. In the associated customer, select customer which will be associated with this user. Selecting any value in this field turns on Customer Portal feature. If you only assign some role to a user, it won't work and Customer Portal won't be applied. On the Notifications tab, select Channel to send notifications to this user. Notifications will be sent when you prepare a quote for a customer after request, when you exchange messages with this customer, etc. Then check Change password on first login checkbox to allow user to log in with empty password, and then specify own password after first login. Save a user, and now it will be possible to log in to a customer portal. I will switch to another browser where we'll be testing customer portal. Username is already entered, so I click login, and the system will offer us to set a new password. 123. Strong password. And here is a customer portal. As you see, navigation tree contains only a few items. And additionally, we have added My Profile button at the top. It allows to view customer details, edit main information about customer, and from here customer can view default prices assigned to this customer, view attached files, contact list. It is possible to create new contacts and delete them, and view all quotes, translation jobs, projects, invoices, payments, and credit notes. Let's start with quotes. I open list of quotes, and from here it is possible to view, create, and download quotes. Download button is available only if company manager processed a quote and prepared a PDF file. I will show it later. To create a new quote, click New. Fill in available fields like job title, currency, translation project. Here it is possible to specify additional notes or instructions. This editor supports formatting, so you can work with it as in Word. And then switch to file attachments and upload a file which is needed to be translated or estimated. It is possible to select a file from HDD or just drag and drop file here and then select file type. It is translatable file, click OK, and then it is possible to add more files if needed. And when everything is ready, click Save button. A quote will be saved and added to a list with Prepare status. Company Manager will get notification about added quote. And if I switch to Manager's portal and go to List of quotes, a new quote is added here, and if I update the list, a new notification will appear here saying that a customer has created a new quote, number 5. So I can click on this notification to open a quote, or can go directly to List of quotes, open it, download a file which has been attached by a customer, and then calculate word count and prepare a quote. So for testing, let's manually add let's say it will be 8,000 words for some price. So Manager generates a quote, save it, then prepare print form with the quote, save it and attach to a document, close. And now it is possible to send a message to a customer to say your quote is ready. Okay, switch back to customer portal, refresh a page, and new notification appears here saying that a quote is ready. Okay, I will dismiss it. And in the list of quotes, the download button is available now. It is possible to click on it and download a quote, view it, or just click on a quote and view quote items created by a manager. Then customer can accept or decline a quote. When declining, it is possible to provide short explanation for declining, and manager will get corresponding notification about this. And when customer accepts a quote, the system will create a project with batch of jobs if quote contains multiple language pairs, or a single translation job will be created if a quote contains only one language pair. So since this time quote contains one language pair only, if I click Accept Quote button, a new job will be created. The system will automatically fill in all necessary fields and even instructions will be copied to a new job. Job contents will correspond to quote contents. It is automatically saved, so it is not necessary to click Save button. And if we will switch to Manager portal and refresh a page, we will see a new notification here. Customer accepted quote number 5. And a new job will appear in the list of jobs, so manager will be able to start working on this project and assign it to translators. If customer doesn't want to create a quote and ready to assign a job to the company, it is possible to open list of projects and list of jobs and create a new project directly from here. Again, customer can fill in all necessary fields, attach or upload some files, send messages, and click Save to give green light to manager and start working on the project without quote stage. The same about jobs. If some files should be translated only to one language, it is not necessary to create a project. Customer can go to list of jobs. Again, click new button to create a new job. Fill in all necessary fields, notes, upload files, provide some instructions, attach few messages if needed, and manager will be able to view created job and calculate amount, word counts, and inform back customer that job has been calculated, for example, or provide another information about ongoing work. Let's go back to manager portal and say we have that job for a customer. It has been done, delivered by translators, and marked as sent to a customer, and now it is ready to be invoiced. So manager creates an invoice. Again, I have to check all amounts at maybe taxes here. Check everything, save an invoice, and then, as with quotes, generate invoice form, check it, and save as PDF and attach to an invoice. Then it is possible to create a notification to inform a customer we have created a new invoice for payment, and send this notification to client 1, and linked object type will be invoice number 13. Save and switch back to customer portal, refresh a list, and new notification will appear here saying that we have created a new invoice for payment. Then switch to invoices list and confirm that a new invoice has been added here, status is created, some amount is specified, and it is possible to download invoice file to view it like this. This list can also be used by a customer to verify amounts against own records, as it provides sorting mechanism, like you can click on any column to sort data. You can open filtering functionality and filter this list by some predefined conditions or custom conditions. And searching mechanism allows to find necessary data. For example, we can search by currencies, etc. And the last part of customer portal is reporting. List of reports can be found in the reports section of the navigation tree. By default, customers have access to few predefined reports, but you can extend this list by creating custom reports or including them into the customer role. Select any report to view its contents. Let's say it will be jobs, amounts, volumes analysis. Using time range filter, you can quickly change time period for data displayed in the report. Filters on the right allows to further filter data displayed in the report, like this. When I change something here, data gets immediately refreshed in the report, like that. Any report widget can be maximized to view in a full size, like this. Any report widget can be exported into a number of formats, and the whole report can be exported into PDF file, image file, Excel file, and XML file. Let's say we wish to export it to image. Open, and here is exported report. So this is how Portal for Customers works. It will be evolving, of course, as new ideas always come in. But for now it looks like that. Thank you for watching.